Today we're gonna swap handlebars on the Scrambler by Ducati.
Okay.
So we need a few things, mostly Allen wrenches. We gotta take off the riser, all of this stuff to swap out to a black lower RENTHAL bar. We'll see how she likes it. First off, we are taking off the number 6 Allen wrenches risers. One out, 3 to go. All right. Up. Doesn't like it there. Doesn't like it there. 4 riser bolts. For a fit check, just to make sure you got the right bars, let's maneuver these guys this way. What we're gonna do here is essentially make sure that you buy the right diameter for your risers, otherwise you're gonna have to swap this out. Not that way, this way. Snug enough to where you can do a fit check.
Are you asking me if I like it?
Now that we checked the bars for a fit, we know they work. It's on to removing everything, so I put it back so it's easier. Most of this stuff deals with the either 3 mil or 5 mil for your controls, your mirrors, and then we're gonna take off the quad lock too.
You can hear the music that's playing.
She says she can already hear the background music. Quad lock, off. Babe,
I
got a
pressed
lot of expensive things there. All right.
Jacob.
Now we're taking off the mirrors and controls.
Wow, Jesus.
Wow, that one was easy as f. Why is this one so hard? That bolt is gone. That's just stripped. Evidently, the Ducati has this feature where your mirrors get screwed in through that hole and they actually touch the bolt, in turn stripping the bolt.
Oh.
Removing the controls. Let's give you a chance to clean everything because it's dusty, dirty, grimy. It's a Scrambler, so it's been off-roading or just been sitting outside. I'll be back. I gotta get 2 things. Ready?
Yep.
Now for the throttle. Wow, that was loose. That's what she said. Take off the bar ends before you can pull off the throttle. Throttle. Run, 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 run. These are the holes that you need to drill for your throttle to make sure that it stays in the right spot. Otherwise, people are cutting off knobs or nubs. Don't do that. Now we're going to install the new bars. What we want now is to center the handlebar and do a fit check. Make sure that you tighten in the bolts just a little bit, loose enough to where you can maneuver it around and fit it up to where you like it. This one's a lot lower than the original, so get it in the right spot, maneuver it, make sure it feels comfortable to you. Now we install everything backwards. Controls, levers, and then we'll put on new grips. Now we got to drill the hole to locate the control, the left-hand control. Now we're back installing the levers. Temporarily get it on there just with your hands, and then we'll fine adjust with the number 5. Notice this is a lot more taut. We'll have to readjust some of these cords after we get this situated up. We've dropped the bars down. To get everything back to normal, we're gonna have to pull some cables or buy shorter cables. Now it's time for the other side, the throttle side. Getting a little dark out, we had to charge the drill, and I may have slipped with my drill, so hopefully we can cover that up. Hopefully we can cover that up with the mirror. What we've done, we drilled holes, put the throttle back on, put the start control back on, and I didn't rip this off yet. It's not coming off. All right, this is time to break out the knife. All right. If you really wanted to keep your original grips, this would be a time that you can't go back. Finite. Now we put on new grips. These are RENTHAL grips. And this is normally the fun part. That is really hard to get these back on. You said you didn't like the stick out thing. Here we are dealing with the stick out thing. Guess whose microphone ran out of battery? I have had 0 luck. So I guess this time around it went a little further. Step in the right direction, I guess. Anyway, you got most of the removal of the Ducati Scrambler handlebars. Ran into a little snafu with the stripped bolt, but what are you gonna do? It took way longer than it should have. I got replacement bolts already installed, got the mirrors back on, and that's it.